Hello and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a blog website using WordPress. And after watching this video, you will be able to customize your website from the beginning to the scratch in any way you need. You can place your content, you can build your blog in each and everything. So without further ado, I'd like to take you to my computer screen and then I'll show you the rest of the process. So let's check it out. So here, if I show you the screen, at first we need the domain and hosting to build your website, because the domain and hosting is something. Domain means the name basically, and the hosting is the place where all the files of your website are stored. So if we want to do this, I'd like to show you the website. This is the link. I will attach the link in the video description so that you can check it out. So once you visit this link, there are different packages. You can select any of the packages based on your requirements. So once you select any of these packages, let's say I would like to go with this one. So once you click choose plan, or probably you can choose this or any package basically you need. So after visiting this URL, you'll be visited to the cart page because you have already selected a package. So after that, it is asking you to select the duration for the months that you need. So if you scroll down, you have to click these, you have to fill up these fields, or you have to create an account actually. After that, you'll be able to pay them, and then you have to fill up the necessary informations. By the way, in the meantime, you're getting 20% discount because of my URL you are using. So this is a referral discount basically. So I'll add this link in the description. If you use this, then definitely you're gonna get this discount. And after that, you have to pay them, and after that you will be able to get the customized domain and hosting, of course. So once you get the domain and hosting, you have to log into Hostinger using this email and password. So once you log in, you will get this like this. So once you log in, you will be able to select your domain name from the admin panel, and after that click auto installer and then select WordPress, and then select the title, website title. This is the email field that you have to put. This email will be used to log in for WordPress. This is the username, which will work as alternative of this field, I mean the email field, and this is the password that we will need to log into WordPress. If I scroll down, and after that, this is an advanced field. There is nothing to do with this basically, because I would like to keep as it is by default. And if you scroll down after, and then you will select the install. Before that, you should make sure that this one is selected, which is recommended. So once you click install, and then WordPress will be installed, and from there, from the WordPress, select the domain name. I mean, you have to make sure this is the domain name that you want to edit, and then click manage, and after that you will be able to access the WordPress. So once you access the WordPress, you should see this dashboard, or if you want to visit manually, for my case, my domain name is tutorial.shakibmahmood.com, and after that I have to put wp-admin. So once I click on it and hit enter, this is the dashboard. You will get this dashboard directly. If you don't get it, you will get the login panel, username and password putting panel. You have to put the username and password that you created, and after that, after coming to this, basically now we have to build the website. Before building the website, we will need one plugin which is paid, which is the only plugin that you need to build the website. So here, if I show you, this is called Elementor. I will add Elementor link in the video description also. You'll get another discount right there if you purchase from my link. So this is the link, I mean this is the link you have to visit. If you see the features of this plugin, this is very easy. You can just drag and drop to the element that you need, and by which you can edit the website, and there is no coding skill required. This is something very easy, which is called customization. So once you do it, now I would like to install the plugin, because I'm just considering you have purchased the plugin from my reference. So once you purchase the plugin, you just have to upload this. After purchasing, you will get the download option. So once you download this, you have upload file now. I mean, if you click on it, this is the plugin. I have to open this. I click on install now. Okay, it is installed. Now I have to click activate, So once I click activate from the this option, I have to install the free version of the Elementor, of course, because the pro version requires the free version. So I have to click to the activate. Now we have the free and paid both. And then from the Elementor, click to the license. It is already connected with my email address. So if you don't have the connection in it, you just have to log into the Elementor account in the next tab, and then you can click connect. If I disconnect it, let me show you how to do this. So you will get it like this. Once you click connect, you will get this like this. And then if I show you by visiting this tab again, /wp-admin, as it is already disconnected, I think it will be easier to show you now. So from the Elementor, if I go to the license, it is asking to connect and activate, but from the URL, you just type and mode is equal to manually and hit enter. You'll get this field. Now I'd like to paste the key that I have after purchasing the plugin. I just click on activate. As you can see, it is activated, and I have to install a theme right now. So I recommend Hello Elementor because it is really nice to work with. So click on install. If you don't get it right here, just search on it and then you'll get it. So I'm just activating the theme. So the themes and plugins are installed. So let's say if you visit all posts, currently you don't have any post. Post means the article. So if you'd like to add your new article, before doing that, let's add some some pages. So let's add the first page, which is the home page. We'd like to create home page, which has to be considered as the front page actually. So when I click on edit with Elementor, it is allowing me to edit using their page builder. And from here, if I'd like to import any kind of pages, like for example, let's say I would like to import this one. This is the page. So it is asking to connect. Now I'd like to connect my Elementor account with my website, which is this website. If I click connect, click on apply, okay, so this page is already implemented. So make sure from the setting you have selected it to page layout has to be full width, Elementor full width. So once I select it, it is taking a reload. And then if I publish it, you will see this is going to be the home page. If I visit the dashboard in a new tab, and then if I visit the website directly, can you see it doesn't have any home page right now because we have created the page. Now we have to select that this is the actual home page. So from this, just click home and save changes. Now if I reload it, this is the home page. So basically there is no image, we have to replace it. I will show you how to replace it. So this is the current homepage right now. There is a footer and there is a header also. Let me show you how I have implemented the header and footer, or I can show you from the beginning again. So here, let's delete the all these things, main, header, footer and everything. So if I move it to the trash, can you see it doesn't have the header, it doesn't have the footer, just I have the home page right now. So from the home page, if I even delete this section because this looks like a footer, so here I'm just putting some space at the bottom just for the styling purpose. Okay, so let's just leave the home page right now. So if I add a new template right now, from here click header, make the name main header or maybe any name that you prefer. So once you have selected this, there are a lot of templates. Let's pick this one, click insert. This menu is inserted. This is the icon list of the icons by which you can even display menu here. I'll show you how to do this. So make it entire site by adding conditions and save and close. If I reload it now, come to the top and click reload, you'll see this is the header right now. There is a button, you can link it to anywhere, and in the footer there is no footer actually. So now I would like to add a footer. Same process, but you have to select, instead of header, just select footer, make it main footer as name. You can select any name, by the way. So once you have this, you will see a lot of templates for the footer. Let me pick this one. If I click insert and apply, yeah, there is a footer now. So if I publish it, at condition it has to be entire site because I want to display the footer for entire site. So save and close. And now if I reload this, there is a footer also. Let me fix the footer because it has some space, it doesn't look good to me. So for this, if I remove the margin, and for this I would like to get some padding. Let's say it is 5 for the left and right. Let's keep it 3, but for the bottom it has to be 5. So if I upgrade it now, and now if I come to the website and if I reload, this should be changed. Yeah, this is changed. Okay, so this is how actually I can do this. Let's remove the bottom space. So there wasn't a space. Now if I reload it, it should be removed. Yeah, it is removed. So now we have header and footer. I will show you how to edit this. So let's start with the menu. So basically we will need a home page here, we will need a blog page here, and there are some other pages like contact and something. So if I click to the dashboard, go to the pages, all pages, we have home page. Let's add some other pages. So let's make it blog and click publish. We have the blog page, we have contact page, and just publish it. And from this setting I have to select that this is the post page, I mean blog page is the actual post page, so that articles are automatically published to this page. Now for the menu, if I go appearance and then menus, let's make a menu which is main menu, I'm just naming it, and create the menu. And what are the items for the menu? Home page, blog page, and contact page. So these three are the menu options. So if I select and save it, now there should not have anything basically. So if I try to edit the header now, come to this, click main header, and then you should have an opportunity to edit the header. So let's just delete it because I'd like to add menu, search menu here at the left, and get this one. Okay, let me do it right here. Instead of this, now if I get menu, if I drag it here, and let's just delete this one. Right now we have the menu, and if I want to make it a little bit white, just come to the style and then the text color has to be white. For now this should be fine. If I update it, and then if I visit the site, you should see this is the menu. If I go to the blog, it doesn't have any blog post right now, so we have to publish some posts. So from all posts, it doesn't have any post, so let's try to add some post. Maybe we will just upload 3 posts total. So here I would like to add another plugin. Basically this is a free plugin which will help you to get an easy interface this one, which is called classic editor. If I activate this right now, and now if I reload this, if I reload all of this, now can you see it's an easy interface. So for the copyright free text, I am collecting some text basically, so you will use your text, right? So for the first blog, this is the blog title. You can put your title based on your niche and category that you want to write the blog about. This is the total description about the blog, I mean each and everything about the blog. And from here, if I would like to add some tag, let's say tag is, it is about technology. Let's say I'd like to add technology. This is technology, hit enter. And maybe I'd like to add another one which is called mobile. And for the featured image, I'd like to add some image from pixels, let's say this one. So collect free images from here. So I'd like to add an iPhone picture. If I search it, this is the picture. Maybe I'd like to download this one. So here I would like to add this image now. So if I select this, you can even select the category. Right now it doesn't have any category, so let's say it's technology based article. So I just type it and hit enter and just click publish. Now if I come to the blog page and reload, you should see the first blog right now. So let's add the other two. So for this, let's use this text. I'm doing it very quickly, okay? And use this one. And for this, let's add some tag. It is also tech. You can add many tags and categories based on your wish, actually. So I hit enter. So it is added. So from here, I'd like to add another image. For this one, let's say I add Samsung. Let's use this one. Just download this and use this for your project. This is a free website by which you can download any images. You can search it and download it, and then you'll be able to use this for your project. So the image is being uploaded. Set this as featured image and then click publish. The second one is also completed, so let's use the third one, which is the last one for the blogs, and paste the description. Put this as category. Let's add technology as the tag, and for this image I would like to add another one. Let's say Nokia. Let's use this one as picture. So from here, if I set featured image again, as usual, let's use this one. Set the featured image and then click publish. Now if I come to the blog page, it has all the post, but this looks very basic, right? Yeah, exactly, this looks very basic. So here would like to customize this, would like to get a different look. So to do that, come to the dashboard, click on templates and click add new, and from here just select archive and make the name post page and create template. I would like to add another template for the custom look. So from here, if I select this one, insert and apply, so from here, if I publish now, add condition for all archives and save and close. Now if I come to the blog page and reload, this looks better actually. So you can add many more based on your requirement. Can you see these are the 3 posts that I added? And for the social media post, you can upload your images. I'll show you how to place that. So if I go to this page now, in this image, for this one, if I click on it in the style tab, you should not see anything because it is related to the column. So now if you go to this style, there is a place by which you can upload image. So let's add this one now. So now let's make this text a little bit white. Click on style and make this color. For this, click style again and make this color, and scroll down, there is an image also. For this one, go style and select image from here, this one. Make this text a little bit white and scroll down. For this, you'll be able to select from here. All these things can be uploaded from here. I mean, it has 7 images total, so you can do it. So I'm just not going to do it because you know already how to do it. So if I update it and reload the blog, now you should see a different look. Can you see it has a background image, it has some blogs, again it has email subscription, so people can put the email and subscribe. You'll get this as a lead so that you can use it as marketing purpose. So after that, you see another blog post, and then you'll place this image and it will be showing here. So in the home page, you can even do it, right? So in the home page, if I want to edit anything, just click edit with Elementor. And you can select any image from here. Let's use this one. For this image, let's use this one. And for this it requires a lot of images actually. So this is how it looks. For the services, you can choose the image similarly, and after that there's a testimonial. If you want to edit this, just click on it, change the wordings, go to the style by managing the style icons and everything. And if you scroll down, there is nothing more. If you want to change anything related to the button, just click on button, change the text. Let's say I'd like to place it contact us and put the contact page here. Let's have the contact page link. This is the contact page. I just copy this link and paste it here. So from the next time when people click this button, they should be visited to the contact page. So this is how you can edit the home page. Now there is another interesting thing, which is if I go to this page, blog page, now this page looks good, right? But once you click any of the blogs, it doesn't look that interesting. So in that case, you just have to visit the blog again. Just go to the dashboard, from the templates, click add new, and then from here just select single post and make the name single post. You can name it to anything. So once you click on it, similarly I should have another template. So let's say I would like to get this one. Click apply. So if I publish this now, add condition for all singular posts, I mean this template will be applied to all posts to your website. So now if I reload this, can you see it has a different look? It has the title, who have written this post, when he has written the post, and what's the picture, the description, and the related post, and then people have newsletter option again. So this is how you can change the single post look. But the last thing I would like to also show you is how to make changes in the menu option. From here, if I want to have some other options in the blogs, like it has only blogs, so if you hover, it should have some categories related to this blogs. How to do it, right? So from here, if I go to the post, if I visit categories, we have only one category right now. So let's say technology, and now I'd like to add news. Sorry, so I'm just deleting this and update. Okay, so the other one is, let's say, sports, and hit enter. Let's keep it this three, and from the appearance and then customize. So from this, from the appearance, from the menu, if I select categories, view all, news, sports and technologies, this has to be added under blog. Just drag it like this, and then the technology. And if you save it right now and reload this, now you should see all these things. So if you click news, it doesn't have anything by the category, but it has everything by the all post. So if you want to do this, get the category first. So for this templates, let's say I'd like to add a category here. From this, click archive and then category and create template. And then let's add this one again. Click apply, and then from this one, if you want to add by this, you can do it. If you want to add the query, what kind of things that I'd like to do by the term, it's like news, let's say. Yeah, category news. Now if I publish this at condition, it has to be for the post archive categories. Which category I'd like to do it? I'd like to do it for news, and just save and close. Now we have to make sure we have some post under this category, so let's make it. From the post, if I would like to, it is uncategorized, it doesn't have any category, so let's make it under news, right? So which one we did news. Yeah, so make sure it has selected. So if I update it now, and then if I visit to the site, and then from news, if I click on it, you see it has only one post about the news. If you add more than one, let's say this one, I'd like to add it to the news also. If I update it now, and if I reload this, you see it has 2 posts right now. So this is how actually you can customize your blog post. This is how you can edit, and this is how you can actually manage each and everything based on your requirement. So I think this video was helpful. If you think this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share this video, and don't forget to comment, so that it inspires me actually. So I'd like to invite you to the next video also. So thank you so much.